how to use Apple Pay at Target. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Apple Pay at Target. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you here, but I'll just guide you, so listen carefully and make sure you stay till the end. Now, to use Apple Pay in store at Target, you first have to ensure you have a debit card or credit card linked to your wallet application. Otherwise, your Apple Pay doesn't have any source of money. You can do this by tapping the plus symbol in the top right hand corner of the wallet app and then either taking a photo of your card or entering your card details manually. Once you have a card connected to your Apple Pay wallet, you can use it at Target or anywhere else that accepts Apple Pay. Now, how do you use it? Well, using your iPhone, step 1 is to quickly double press the side button on the right outside edge of your iPhone, the same button typically used to turn on and off the screen. If done correctly, you will see your wallet app open up automatically with an image of your debit card or credit card that you have added to your wallet and a message saying to hold near reader. Now, the step 2 is to hold your iPhone over or near the contactless Target payment terminal with your wallet app still open on your iPhone, the same payment terminal you'll use to pay with a debit or credit card. If done correctly, your payment should automatically process and your debit card or credit card should be associated with your Apple Wallet will be billed. Now, similarly, if you are using your Apple Watch, you want to quickly double press the side button on the right outside edge of your Apple Watch. If done correctly, you'll see your wallet app open up automatically with an image of your debit card or credit card that you have added to your wallet and a message saying to hold near reader. Now, step 2 is to hold your Apple Watch over or near the contactless payment terminal, typically the same as you'll do for paying with a debit or credit card. If done correctly, Apple Watch will beep and the payment will be processed. So this way you can use Apple Pay at Target. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.